Come on, I'm serious. I got flip-flops on and you got hard shoes. This, really? This is how it's gonna be. You don't get. It's a ranch, as you can see. We just had some horses come through and kind of bum rush the show a little bit. Now they've moved on, so we're gonna move on and do our first dish here. We're gonna do a little shallot first. We got our pan over there getting hot right now, so we should be in action, ready to go. For a vinaigrette, normally you would do lesser amount of shallot, but since this is gonna be a warm pan vinaigrette, we're gonna add a good amount of shallot. We're gonna get into our scape. I'm actually just gonna give these guys a real rough, sloppy chop right on the deck. I'm gonna do our pancetta, cut it in half, flip it over, and then just a little julienne, not too thin, just little batons, if you will. And then 2 whacks through the center. So with the pancetta, you wanna have a little oil in the beginning just to kind of get that fat rendered out, not too much. Oh yeah, Sizzle Town. We're gonna move on to our broccoli. And the stems, if you're throwing them away, you're missing out. The stems are perfect to eat, especially early season like this. I like to peel them also just for a little presentation style. And like I said before, this is the departure from the boring broccoli that's steamed and sometimes maybe overcooked. I'm not blaming anyone or naming any people. A lot of homes, I think broccoli gets a bad rap because it is overcooked and it can be somewhat boring, but this is a really exciting salad and quick, really quick. We're gonna do it Italian style. We're gonna slice this guy because I wanna see that little bit of garlic in there. And if you go really thin, that garlic taste is gonna go, just kind of melt right away. Just a little kashlois of olive oil here, salt. Not too much because that pancetta is gonna carry a little bit of heat or carry a little bit of salt. And give that a little toss. Nice and massaged up. We can get the broccoli right on the grill. And I cook for some picky kids, not my own of course, but others that love this salad. Or just grilled broccoli in itself. Just adds so much beautiful flavor. This is my favorite part. What you wanna do is just get it in there and start tossing that. Now you can really start to hear that tomato sizzle. The skin's opening up and all the juice is gonna start coming out. And at this point, before there's too much water from the tomato introduced, we're gonna add our shallots. Actually, you know what? We're gonna add our garlic scapes first. They'll take a little bit longer to cook. We're gonna turn the broccoli over here. Perfect. That's what you're looking for right there. Just a little bit of black, a little bit of brown, crispy tops. That's where that flavor is. Stir those shallots in there. Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna add our mustard, a little spoon like that. So our broccoli is good. That's all I want it cooked. So let's get it right down there in the middle of the plate. I'm gonna go in with a little lemon zest right in there. I don't do this in the beginning just because I want that nice lemony flavor to finish. Now we're gonna introduce our acid to the dish. A little lemon juice there. Citrus champagne vinegar. That's 1.5 teaspoons. We're gonna, instead of whisking it, we're gonna shake it to emulsify the vinaigrette here. We'll probably eventually put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into this. So now we're gonna go ahead and ladle this over this beautiful grilled broccoli. Garlic scapes in there, beautiful. We're gonna do a little bit around the side there. Let's finish this dish with a little Parmesan, just shaved right up on top. I'm gonna have to go into the wind for this. That's so fun. Go outside, try it outside. Get yourself, put a fan up. I'm also gonna do just a touch of this beautiful balsamic over the top to finish. There you have it. Blistered tomato, pancetta vinaigrette over grilled broccoli, finished with a little bit of Parmesan and some precious balsamic.